Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to give access to only the agent time detail report in Custom VICIdial theme. First, open Kingasterisk website and go to the live demo page. Now select any theme. Here I am using theme number 8. Copy the username and password and log in to the VICIdial admin panel. After login, go to administration from the left menu. Then click on user group and select show user group. Find the user group you want to edit and click on it. Now scroll down and find the report section. Select agent time details report. If you want to user to see only this report, remove all other report option. After that, click on save changes. The user group can now access only the agent time details report. This is a simple way to control report access in VICIdial. So user group can only see the agent time detail report. Thanks for watching.